Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Trust the Process token. Ticker symbol is TRUST. Now this is a very popular Solana meme coin that just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 18th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Trust the Process is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Ticker symbol is TRUST. You can find it on SolScan if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical information. You can find it on Birdeye, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting today. It says, Mexc Global new listing alert. The Trust token will be paired with USDT and listed in the assessment trading zone today, December 18th at 7 a.m. UTC time. So that time has already passed. It's already past 7 a.m. UTC time. So this token is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get it, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TRUST, T-R-U-S-T, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter link up in the corner here of the screen so you guys can easily find this project at Trust_Solana on X. They have a blue verified checkmark, 223 posts. It says, trust the process and embrace the journey. Join the Trust cult here, and then they have a link to their Telegram at Trust_the_coin. And then they have a link to their webpage right there, trust.frl. They just joined Twitter December 2024, 5,673 followers already. And in their pinned tweet, it says, if you fall in love with the process, eventually the process will love you back. Always trust the process. And then they have the official links, the Telegram, Twitter, and the pinned tweet, as well as the contract address. Now the contract address ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. So another way to get this token, maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, you can get this token off of Raydium, which is a decentralized exchange for Solana tokens. So you could do that by downloading a Trust wallet, which is fitting, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Soulflare or Phantom wallet, any one of those wallets would do. You download them from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would use the contract address in their pinned tweet there and change your Sol for the Trust token. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. And besides that, this token may also become available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca. If you go to the web page, it's basically just like a full link tree. It says they have the contract address, TikTok link, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and then it says click hands. So you can click on the trust hands there, the little pray hands, and then just a bunch of money trust hands and things just fly all over the screen. So it's just kind of like a meme web page there. And then their Telegram. I mean, you can find also all the links on Dex Screener, and this token is actually trending number 18 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. Doing very well today. This big Mexc global listing probably helped. Now their Telegram at trust_the_coin has 5,341 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see new updates regarding this project, token listing announcements, all that type of stuff. And this token right now has a market cap of $44.2 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They're up 70.23% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $19.5 million, 78,583 transactions. They have $1.1 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.95% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now that's great to see. Now there is 5 different liquidity providers right now in Raydium according to Dex Screener, and they have a total of 47,943 holders. That's a lot of holders. Token price right now is about 4.4 cents per token. Now this token just came out 10 days, 16 hours ago, so it's less than 2 weeks old. Still going strong, still getting big central exchange listings. They have 2,613 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 12,886,682 pooled trust tokens. They have a quick audit here. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And there was a community takeover for this token here December 7th. So it looks like the dev is out of the picture and the community is now running this project according to their webpage here. So, or according to Dex Screener, I should say. So yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.